Hi, this is Alicia Levitt from the Lutheran Schools Partnership. I'm going to show you the new IDCI Social Studies curriculum today and some important things you'll need to know as you begin to use it. When you log into Atlas, when you go to this little pencil box right here up at the top, that's all the curriculum that you have access to, and that's your Develop tab. So you should find the IDCI Social Studies courses that you're teaching there. If you don't, that means that whoever is the Atlas administrator at your building needs to give you access to those courses. Contact that person and they'll contact me if they need help. I'm going to go into the IDCI Social Studies course for grade 3. First of all, mine might look a little bit different than yours because I do have different access than the teachers in TLSP. But generally, this is what that unit calendar will look like. In every grade level, the very first unit says, "Start here, provide feedback." Click on that unit, and you really do need to start here. This is important because there's an introduction video for your grade level. So when you go down to the essential questions box, you'll find 3 links. One will be the introduction video. You should watch that first. The second will be a handbook for how to use the IDCI curriculum and some important things that you need to know about its use. The third live link here is for you to provide feedback. If you're working in the IDCI Social Studies curriculum and you find a link that doesn't work, or you find something that seems to be problematic in some way, you need to click on this feedback link. It will take you to a simple Google form where you can provide us some basic feedback, and that will go directly to me and to Julie Dietrich from the Indiana District so that we can address those issues as soon as possible. So start with that intro video and take a look at that handbook before you get started. I'm going to go into one of the units in this 3rd grade map just to give you a quick overview. I think I'll go into the government unit, unit number 2. You'll see here that all of the standards that are addressed in this unit have already been linked. The LCMS faith statements have been included. As you scroll down, you'll see the essential questions and content from this unit, as well as all of the skills that students should be able to do after they've completed this unit. Please make note that these little eyes in the dark gray bubble are hoverovers. So if you can't remember what consensus skills are, hover over that and you'll see what that means. In the resources box, you'll find all sorts of resources, and these include lots of live links. So the green things here are live links that will take you to resources to use during the teaching of this unit. And then you'll get to the learning plan. We created this curriculum for people all over the state of Indiana. You all have different ways that you teach social studies. Some of you teach it every day in short periods. Some of you teach it in longer chunks at a time. And so it's very hard for us to set up lessons in the same way for all teachers. But our curriculum writers have set these up to give you a general overview of what a lesson might be. But you can divide this however it works for you. On your map, you're going to see the teacher side of the map as well. So on the right-hand side, where it's blank for me, you'll see a teacher level map where you can put in your own things in that box. So in the learning plan, you've got lessons that you can adapt to meet your needs. And anything that you see highlighted in blue, those are the things our curriculum writers did to connect this to teaching the faith in the classroom and connect this and make this a more Lutheran school appropriate curriculum. So these are ideas for ways in which you can make those connections in your classroom. Each of the lessons has got some links inside, or you may find the links under additional resources. The student sample box in some cases has samples. If our curriculum writers have actually used these lessons before, in some cases they actually put work samples there for you to see. On your side of the map, you can put in your own work samples as those are created in your classroom, which will be an awesome resource in the future in the years going forward. There are differentiation ideas on many of these, and then in our reflections box, box a key Bible verse for this unit. So it's kind of a guiding scripture that you will find used throughout this unit. Again, just another way to make this a distinctly Lutheran school curriculum. Don't forget, the very first unit is where you're going to find the video, the handbook, and your feedback form. So make sure you pay attention to that when you log in. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me anytime at alicial@tlspartnership.org. If you need help getting this set up, let me know. Thank you.